What is going on, everybody? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today, guys, we're going to actually be giving updates on XRP, and I need you all to hopefully watch this before market open tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. EST. Now, remember, as always, I like to preface by saying that I'm not a financial advisor, but rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And if you're new around here, smash the like button down below, consider subscribing to the channel, and get your 15 free stocks with Mumu down with the link right at the top of the description below. The overall cryptocurrency market today had what we call a flash crash and a flush, followed by a pretty bullish recovery. We were consolidating around 94, 95K over the last few days. And then after market open today, we just saw this significant dump all the way down where Bitcoin broke below an $89,000 market cap. And in my opinion, again, guys, you saw liquidations happen. For those of you that are watching the overall market sentiment and market metrics, we saw liquidations happen. And so with liquidations, we know, obviously, a lot of institutional investors, big whales, will flush out either longs or shorts, regardless of the direction the market's going. So overall market conditions were pretty strong in terms of momentum and the direction we were headed. And then out of nowhere, we just saw this flash crash where we saw $420 million being liquidated in the crypto market. So with that, that's why I always say, if I can give anyone any financial advice, as close to financial advice as possible, I always say do not leverage trade. Only trade spot so you can't be liquidated, but instead hold your positions either on the way up or the way down, regardless of what direction you think the market's going. Overall, we are in a bull market. So the direction that the market should be headed, as long as all the catalysts continue to play out, is up. But I want to talk about XRP because it's the only cryptocurrency in the green right now, up 4% on the week, 1.4% on the day. Also, again, it did not resist, fell below right around $4.34 in the crash today, followed by a rally back to exactly where we were kind of consolidating over time. XRP's price action overall is under consolidation, but now there's rumors and information about breakout. First and foremost, I want to touch on Cointelegraph. They stated earlier today, XRP rally to $4 is possible after XRP BTC pair clears a 30-day resistance level. Crypto trader, Crypto Wizard, says XRP has flipped previous resistance to support. It is now ready to rally to $4 and then $8 in the higher time frame. So this here is the map out from 2021's bull run all the way through now 2025 when it comes to XRP BTC pairs. And you can see that right now we've created this really strong descending flag followed by a nice clean breakout in the upward trajectory. And again, I think right now $8 is definitely on the table. And so you need to make sure you're prepared for that upside battle, meaning that's not going to be just a direct upward trajectory. There's going to be slight corrections, market flushes on the way up. But regardless, right now, we are looking like we are going to continue pushing this momentum forward. In addition, I want to touch on this from you today. Enormous XRP breakout to launch skyrocketing rally. They also talk about SHIB patterns. You don't want to avoid Bitcoin is still sleeping. But let's go ahead and read. Finally, XRP has breached crucial descending trendline resistance levels, suggesting that a major bullish rally may be about to begin. After weeks of consolidation within a narrowing range, traders have clear indication that momentum may be turning upward with this breakout. The recent surge above the $2.30 mark, which saw XRP close above the trendline important moving averages, including the 50 EMA, validates bullish sentiment. This level now acts as a solid foundation for future developments. So you guys can see this breakout that actually started pretty much November, where XRP was right on 70 cents, ran all the way up to nearly $3, retraced since because the market corrected, but now we're on the next leg up. The next important resistance right now we got to keep in mind is $2.50 and $2.70. We broke 250. We're at 253. So now we want to get through $2.70 and hopefully that's a clear path to $3. The breakout volume is noteworthy, but not yet explosive, indicating that although the breakout is legitimate, more buy pressure could help rally the gain and gain more traction. So again, guys, the overall sentiment right now for XRP, if you guys view, it's 88%. The community is still feeling extremely bullish. And again, the remaining 12% are bearish. But I don't like using the word bear because I really think we're so far away and so far removed from the bear market. Right now, we know what's happening when it comes to the economy. Macroeconomics matter. We need to make sure we all embrace and understand that we need to pay attention to these metrics. We know that 10-year bonds right now are at 4.8%. I was having a discussion earlier today with someone, and he was telling me, without these bonds, if these bond prices just keep going up, of course, people are going to get their money out of the stock market and the crypto market, go into risk off assets like bonds, for example, 10-year bonds, mind you. You can lock up your money right now over a 10-year period for a 4.8% return on your cash. So for big investors, if you have $10 million, $100 million, 4.8% yield is pretty good for doing literally nothing. So once the bond market cools off, the dollar cools off, and Trump's presidency begins, of course, we know there's a lot of bullish sentiment when it comes to Donald Trump taking the presidential seat as being the first pro-crypto president of the United States, and the SEC reform. There's too many catalysts, even though there's some uncertainty, too many catalysts that will push us and propel us forward. And in addition, we know there's talks with the US and Russia right now. Right now, we saw Trump making a statement earlier that he wants to talk to Russia's president, Vladimir Putin, immediately upon his arrival in the Oval Office. And in addition to that, day one, we're expecting executive orders for the crypto industry, pro-crypto industry, from Trump himself. So again, guys, there's literally less than a week, 7 days remaining, technically 6 now, till the inauguration. And I think that's when we start beginning the final strong push for this specific market cycle between the month of January all the way through probably the summer. And it could be even extended depending on what the Feds do from a macroeconomic standpoint. If they begin cutting rates, then expect even further bullish sentiment. If they somehow decide to continue pausing and maybe some quantitative tightening, then of course it can create a little bit of a laggard type effect for this specific cycle. But right now, there's a lot of things that have went well. Bitcoin broke over 100,000, but we still haven't seen altcoin season. That's the anticipation right now. I'm excited for AI crypto. I'm excited for the big altcoins like XRP, Ethereum, Solana, meme coins as well, also in the running. And I'm talking again, Brett on Base, Pepe, Shiba Inu, Dogecoin. All of these have yet to really break specific all-time highs. But in addition to that, I think just the overall sentiment for the market is headed towards the right direction. That will push community-driven cryptocurrencies and altcoins up towards the right direction. I appreciate your support as always, and that's all I really had. So again, I appreciate you guys. Check out the link down below for Moomoo. 15 free stocks await you. Get your free money while you're at it. Why not? It's literally for free. That's all I had. So until next time, everybody, as always, stay vigilant, stay attentive, and keep investing. Peace.